Hello, my name is Rogelio and I'm going to talk about practice number 6. Well, for this one we need two start buttons and two stop buttons. Now the condition here is that no matter which button you press first, motor A will start first. If you press this button, motor A will start, and if you press this button, motor A will start. However, after pressing one of the buttons, the other one will activate motor B. And for the stop buttons, this button will only stop motor B and this button will stop both. Now how does it work? Well, it is a little complicated, so I'll have to start the simulation in order to explain it better. Alright, let's begin. The first thing you need to notice is that there are two relays right here, relay number 1 and relay number 2. These will help us keep in check which button was pressed first. Now how does this work? Well, as you can see right here, button A will start the first relay and button B will start the second relay. When you activate one of the relays, the other won't be able to be activated because of this close contact right here. And when you activate the relay, it will itself turn on contactor 1, which will activate motor A. Alright, let's see this by pressing this button. As you can see, this relay turns on, which allows us to turn contactor 1 on. It also opens up this path, so relay number 2 can no longer be turned on. Now, as you can see right here, it also closes up this, which allows us a new path, which will activate contactor 2. After it is activated, it will receive current to here thanks to this interlock, and it will be able to keep both motors running. As you can see, I press the button and current flows to here and then through here. Now if I press button B, this will deactivate because current can no longer flow through this point. And if I try to activate it with the other button, it won't allow me to. I always have to press button B. Now I will deactivate this and both motors will stop. I will now start it with this button, which now activates relay number 2. Again, it opens up this so no current can flow to relay number 1, and it opens up a new path right here which will turn on contactor number 2. As you can see, I can't activate it with button B, but if I press button A, the second contactor will activate. Now if I press button B, as you can see, motor B will stop and I won't be able to turn it on with button B. Instead, I will have to press button A. And again, if I press this button, it will deactivate both motors. Okay, so I just want to make a quick note. My teammate Stephanie will help me here in this video because a contactor that they gave us had screws which didn't tighten. So in order for the practice to work, she had to fold two of the wires that we used for the practice. Now, having said that, here is the video. As you can see, we have the buttons, and here are motor A and motor B over there. Now, I will start by pressing this button, which will start motor A, and then the next, which will start motor B. Now, I will press this stop button, which will only stop motor B. As you can see, right here, I stop it with my hand to show that it has stopped spinning. And if I try to turn it on with motor A, I can't. I can only turn it with this button. However, now I will press the stop button for both, and both will turn off. As you can see, both of them are off, and now I will start with the other button, and as you can see, motor A started first, and then with the other one, motor B started. Now, if I stop B, I won't be able to turn it on with this button. I'll have to press the other one, this one right here. Now motor B will start running again, and here is the overload relay just for motor B. and here is for both motors. Well, that will be all. Thank you for watching this video.